I'm going to add 100 grams of walnuts and 100 grams of cranberries. And I'm going to start folding it in. Got a layer of dough there with all the cranberries underneath. So I'll let it rest a little and then I'll be back in about 20 minutes and I'll fold it a little bit more and then we'll see if we can start shaping some loaves. Okay, it's been resting a little while. I think I'll cut it in half and shape each one individually. We've got 2 loaves here that are at 770 grams. Go ahead and get some flour in the banneton. We'll shape these and allow them to refrigerate overnight. I think I will put this to the outside. It looks like a better skin. There we go. That looks better. Set that aside. Let's see. Looks like this side's a bit better, so I'll put that side down. Okay, I'm going to let them rest a little bit before I give them their final shaping. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, let's round this bread up and get it into the basket. That little nut out and put it in the bottom. Anything on top will burn anyway. I'll cover these with plastic bags and we'll get them into the refrigerator for an overnight stay. See you tomorrow morning.